Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to...
Hello guys, and welcome back to episode 11 of Vlogmas. So as usual, I'm in a hurry, so we are going to my nail appointment now. And by the way, I have on the blush now. I don't think I took enough of it, but other than that, I really like the color. But yeah, let's go to my nail appointment. So now I'm back home from my nail appointment, and here is the result. The color is called brunette, so it's a very beautiful shade of brown. I'm very happy with the result, and they are a little bit shorter than the previous ones that I had because I wanted something shorter for the practicality. But yeah. Now I'm back home and I'm going to make something to eat because I haven't eaten today. I just went to the nail appointment, and before that I did my makeup in a hurry and went straight there. So now I'm going to eat, and after that I will go to my doctor, and then I will drop off the bags from Vintage Fever. And yeah, that's pretty much my plan for today. I'm going to put a little bit more blush on because I was in a hurry in the morning, so I didn't have time to put that much on. And I was a little bit careful when I put it on because I haven't tried it, so I didn't want to be too blushy. If you're new to my channel, my name is Marlene and I do videos and vlogs about luxury fashion, handbags and shoes. So if that's something you like, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. While I'm waiting for the bread to defrost, I'm going to pack down things from Vintage Fever. So the first bag that I'm going to pack down is the ice cube bag. I haven't worn it outside because this was just a bag that I wanted to have on loan to see if I can style something like that, but certainly I cannot. So therefore I haven't worn it. But here is the bag. It's very beautiful. This isn't sold yet, so if you want it, you can still grab it from the website. It's a very cool bag, but unfortunately I couldn't make it work. So that was one, and two to go. And the other bag that I have had on loan, except for the classic flap, is this Celine bag. It is a duffel bag, very beautiful. I have thought about buying this myself, but I'm still not sure yet, so let me know in the comments if I should get it or not. And if I'm not getting it, it's still available on their website. So, and the last bag that I have had on loan is this one, the one that I have used the most since I got it. It is a very beautiful classic flap. Unfortunately, I think this one is already sold, but it is a very beautiful vintage classic flap. I think this one is from the late 90s. I think for its age, it is in very beautiful condition. And I have enjoyed having a classic flap, so I'm thinking a lot about getting one. And I hope the new owner of this one will be very satisfied with this classic flap and take good care of it. And lastly, I also had this Chanel brooch on loan from them. It is in gold with black rhinestones. It is a very beautiful brooch and not too big, because I think some of the brooches can be a little bit too big, but this one is very beautiful and elegant. This one is already sold, but I can really understand why, because it is a very beautiful brooch. So that was the items that I have had on loan from them. And once again, this is not sponsored or anything. I have had some items on loan just to try them and see if it is something that I would like to have one day, and also to see if I can make them work with my wardrobe. And I think that's a very good thing to do, because sometimes you can end up buying bags that you think you can style and then it will not work out. And now I will go and eat breakfast. The clock is 10:45 now, so it's a quite late breakfast. So now I'm back home again from the doctor, and I have just been answering some emails. Now the clock is 3:30. So it's starting to get a little bit dark. And yeah, that was the things that I have done so far today. And later today I think I'm going to just chill a little bit, because I have done so much the previous days and I think I need to rest. And tomorrow I'm going for a lunch with a friend of mine, and also I have put a little bit more blush on now. I really like it. I think it is a very beautiful shade and also very easy to blend. And yeah, so I think the rest of the day we are just going to chill a little bit and edit this vlog and maybe do some self-care. I will talk to you guys very soon. Hello guys, so now I have eaten and showered and I have a face mask on now. The one that I'm using now is the Mega Mushroom Relief Resilience from Origins. I haven't tried it before, so I'm very excited to see. This is something that I got in a PR package, so I haven't bought it myself. And I also have eye patches on. I'm using these ones from Xlash. They are the Super Youth Peptide Eye Gels, and they are purple, as you can see. And yeah, I have tried these before. They are very good, and I will leave the links below so you can check both products out if you want to. And for the rest of the evening I'm going to edit this vlog, and after that I think I'm just going to watch some TV and go to bed early, because I woke up very early today. That was it for today's vlog, and tomorrow I'm going on a lunch, as I said earlier. And thank you so much for watching. If you're not done watching yet, here is another video, and goodbye.